In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Outlook desktop icon to your Windows 10 desktop or taskbar. This is a quick and easy process, perfect for those who want faster access to their Outlook application. By the end of this video, you'll have a convenient Outlook icon either on your desktop or pinned to your taskbar, helping streamline your workflow. First, go ahead and type Outlook in the search bar at the bottom left corner of your Windows 10 screen. If you're new to using this feature, the search bar is a handy tool that helps you find applications, files, and settings in your system just by typing in some keywords. As you begin to type in Outlook, you'll notice the search bar automatically starts pulling up results related to your query. In no time, you should see the Outlook app appear in the list of results above. Now that you've located the Outlook app, the next step is to pin it to your taskbar for easy access. Simply move your cursor over the Outlook app in the search results and right-click. A small menu should pop up with several options. Among them, you'll see an option that says Pin to Taskbar. Click on this option and you'll instantly notice the Outlook icon appearing on your taskbar right at the bottom of your screen. Pinning an app to your taskbar is a great way to keep your frequently used programs just a single click away without cluttering your desktop. Every time you want to open Outlook, simply click on the icon in your taskbar and it will launch immediately. This is particularly useful if you switch between different windows often and prefer to keep your desktop clean. And there you have it. You've successfully added an Outlook desktop icon to your taskbar. This simple process not only saves you time, but also makes your day-to-day tasks smoother by ensuring quick access to your emails. If you find these steps helpful, feel free to apply them to pin other frequently used applications. Remember, technology should make your life easier, and little hacks like these can contribute significantly to better productivity. While having the icon on your taskbar is really practical, having a shortcut on your desktop is just as handy for some users. Unfortunately, with the steps outlined, only the taskbar is addressed, but fear not. Creating a desktop shortcut involves simply dragging the pinned icon from your start menu to your desktop area. Alternatively, any downloaded application typically allows you to right-click, then go to Send To and select Desktop, creating an icon for quick access on your desktop as well. Thank you for tuning into this video. I hope this helped you quickly access your Outlook app on your Windows 10 PC. Stick around for more quick and easy tech tips. Remember to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.